Hi friends, and welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to choose the winner to the Spellbinders card kit of the month. It is an unopened box from December 2019. I'll show you what it looks like. See this one? It's called Hey Foxy, and I think I remember this one. I believe this is the one with foxes in it. If I remember to, I will link you to the video where I did the unboxing and so forth for this kit. And so I can't talk too much today, as you can tell. But yeah, you get a brand new unopened kit. I think that's some ink. Sorry about that, but yes, this is going to one lucky subscriber. And so, before we look at the entries and pick a winner, I want to let you all know that there's another Spellbinders giveaway going on. But this one is in a blog hop. I'm in this week's Spellbinders blog hop where they're giving away 3 $25 store credits to spellbinderspaperarts.com to 3 lucky winners. Now, in order for you to enter, you have to go and follow the blog hop. I'm in kind of like the middle of the lineup. I will go ahead and leave you the link to my blog post in the description area of this video. And you have to comment on each of the participants, and that would be in the blog. It's not a YouTube hop, it's not a YouTube giveaway, it's a blog hop giveaway from Spellbinders. So you'll find the rules and everything in my project that I made in the actual blog. And in the past, some of my subscribers have won the Spellbinders giveaway, so check them out. Now, I don't choose the winners. Spellbinders chooses the winners in the blog hops, and they announce it in their post. Okay, so now we are going to go ahead and open my planner. I just love my Aura Estelle planner so that we can choose the winner for this giveaway, which is a Spellbinders Hey Foxy December 2019 card kit of the month. And this time we have 83 entries. So let me go ahead and keep quiet for a moment so that y'all can see the entries and the numbers. Over here, I thought I would save some space by making 2 columns, but it didn't work out, so. And these entries have been written down in the order that they came in, okay? From the first video to the last video, the last Spellbinders video. So here's one. And of course, to win in my giveaways, you have to be a visible subscriber to my channel, 18 years or better. And this particular giveaway was open to the US only because of the shipping charges are just astronomical. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and share my screen with you, and we're going to choose the winner. Winner, please contact me, email me, and I will go ahead and put my email right there so that way you can email me with your full name and address so that I can mail that over to you. Good luck, everybody, and I will see you once again real soon.